Hey everybody, welcome to my fictitious laboratory, where today we're going to be looking at a ladybug. So, let's get started.
So, being a ladybug automatically makes me a girl. Is that it, flyboy? Huh?
Yikes! She's a guy!
This footage may be a little different than other videos, because I found this ladybug alive, and I wanted to keep it alive so I could be released safely back outside after filming. These ladybugs, or ladybird beetles as some call them, consist of over 5,000 species ranging in colors from red or orange to completely black, just like this image here. These ladybugs can be a very good friend to have if you own a garden, due to their voracious appetite and preferred diet of aphids, fruit flies, and other plant-eating insects. I got some of the next pieces of information from the San Diego Zoo. Depending on the species of ladybug, the female can lay 3 to 300 eggs at a time, which will mature in 3 to 7 weeks' time. Some ladybugs flap their wings 85 times in 1 second while flying. And lastly, ladybugs also have an apparently successful career in aeronautics, as they have actually been taken to space for scientific research, which found that they were able to catch prey in zero gravity. Holy crap, what is that? Here you can see the remnants of a larval form of ladybug grub, which is the entire reason that they grow the armor plating, that they adorned with the blood of their enemies, and one spot for each enemy they vanquished. At least that would be a cool scenario, but not quite the truth. These ladybugs' display of bright colors are used by many other insects and animals to warn possible predators that they are poisonous. This bright colored display is known as aposematic coloration, and is used famously by poison dart frogs. By the way, do you know the difference between a poisonous and venomous organism? I'll give you 3 seconds. A poisonous organism must be consumed, or eaten, for another being to become ill or die, whereas a venomous organism actually inflicts its venom on a target by its own decision, through most commonly a bite or a sting. So a scorpion or snake are good examples of venomous creatures, whereas a poison dart frog is a good example of a poisonous animal. By the way, are ladybugs actually poisonous? Actually, yes, but not to humans. While they are non-toxic to us, I still wouldn't suggest using one of these little guys as an afternoon snack, as if this video didn't make these guys look the least appetizing as possible. One interesting thing that I've seen on many of my insect specimens is the presence of hooked feet, and these microscopic structures are exactly how that creepy crawly is able to stay attached to your skin or shirt once landed, and why they're able to crawl on walls and sometimes ceilings. If you enjoyed this type of video, please like and subscribe, and also give me a comment down below of what you want to see next.